Hi guys, today I want to show you how to use Google Search Console. We will explore all the essential features that will help you optimize your site for better rankings. Let's get started. First, we will have to go to Google Search Console and add the sitemaps. Here you will have to add your URL and click submit, and Google automatically will create a sitemap for you. You will be able to confirm it by looking at this section, and you can see sitemap index extension in the URL now. Next, let's go to performance report. That is the main important report you will have to follow on the Google Search Console. Here you can understand all the site performance, and you can see all the clicks, impressions, average position, and click-through rate. If you click on each tab right here, it will automatically add this metric to this report, and if you hover on any of these lines, you can see all the details per single day. Here you can also filter by the specific time or time frame. For example, you want to filter by 6 months, just select it and click apply, and it will show you data for 6 months. Here you can search by web, image, video, news, and you can also compare. For example, you want to compare web with the image or if something else, just click apply and it will show you all the data. So let's reset filters for now and move to the bottom. On the bottom section, we can see more tabs and the most important information we will need. So here on the first tab, you can see queries. That means keywords. Here you can see your top keywords. And if you see some of the keywords have high impressions but low clicks, that means you will need to improve your meta description and title so more users click on the link to check the information. Here, if you click on this keyword, for example, it will show you more specific information, and it will also show you on what page that keyword exists. Here you can also see what countries visiting your site, what devices they use in, search appearance, and dates. So as you can see, this is all useful information that will help you to rank better, but just need to make sure to monitor it consistently. Next, let's go to URL inspection. Here we can see what pages are indexed and what are not. So for example, I want to see if this page is indexed. So I'm adding this URL right here. And it doesn't show us anything. But if we click on test live URL, it will show us some details. Let's just wait a little bit to see the report. Well, it says it can take a minute or two, but usually it's less than a minute. And here we go. We can see green check marks. That means it's indexed. It also says right here. And that's it on this page. So next, let's move to Core Web Vitals. This page is focusing on site performance, including your load speed. And if you have enough data, it will show all the information for mobile and desktop. I don't have it, so in my case, I'll need to click on this link. And once I click, it will redirect me to another page where it will show me what problems I have. Here it also shows you the report for mobile and for desktop. We can come back to this page in a bit, and let's just go back here and go to the next section. Links show you all the information about the backlinking. You can see external links, internal links, top link in site, who links to your site, and top link in anchor text. So here you can use this section to monitor who is linking to your site and assess the link quality. For example, if I click here, I can see targeted pages, and a little bit more details. And now let's go back and see if it already loaded the data. So not yet. We'll need to wait a little bit more. Once we are waiting, let's go to another section right here. Let's go to indexing. So on indexing page, you can see all the pages that are indexed or not indexed. So for example, in this section, I can see some pages that are not indexed. And this one shows for those pages. So I'll have to figure out what's wrong. If I click on it, it will show me their link, so I can just double check it later and fix it. When we go to removals, here we can hide some of those bad pages. So for example, you want to hide some of those 404 pages. Click on new request, fill all the information, and the new request will be submitted and the page will be hidden or removed. And now if we go to security issues, we can see if we have any security issues. I don't have any, so that's good. But if you will have some, usually they send you emails and telling you what's wrong, so you can easily fix it right away. And on the breadcrumbs, you can see some details on the breadcrumbs, and that's pretty much what you need to know here. Now if we go back to our view, we can see a little bit more details as a summary, and if we click on full report, it will show us the report we already saw earlier. And if we click on search console inside, here we can see some more information. We can see our achievements, performance on Google. If we hover here, we can see how many times users clicked on this content in this 28 days. We can also see some top performed pages and other information. And now if we go back here, finally it shows us all the details we need to know. So here it will show us information, what's wrong with those pages, what we need to fix, and etc. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and now you know how to use Google Search Console. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.